you all to our shop in the performance. Today we saw our older boys perform for us at a commemoration of 1916, and now it's the time for our junior classes who are going to perform for us for our shop in the Gaeilge. So I'm going to hand you over now to junior infants. Now everybody very quiet and give our full attention. Her mother. And the others we have to practice their actions with.